This video is for all the women out there. I am not generalizing about anyone in this particular video. Instead, I am rooting for all the women and men who believe in the right to freedom, irrespective of the gender. I hope you guys connect with it. Dear women, I have seen you being oppressed by men at your jobs and workplaces. I have seen men ridiculing you for having an opinion. At your home, men telling you to be within the boundaries, for according to them, only certain jobs suit you. Men have always tried to cage your limits, but today, when I see you at your office, working and flying like you always wanted, I somehow see you oppressing other women. It's not the men alone, it's you who are bitching about a female colleague of yours just to secure a promotion. In order to prove a point, you often disprove many other points. Instead of exploring your true potential, you are becoming more of a man. You are not changing society's thoughts, you are trying to be more manly just for acceptance. You are doing to other women what men have been doing to you for since centuries. I stand for women empowerment that empowers women to express their real self, their womanhood, because that, I think, is beautiful. We need women to grow and be as they are, for them to have the freedom they have been denied by men. Unfortunately, I often see women trying to fit in shoes of men. Men who exploited you and demeaned you have now been replaced by you. You haven't evolved, you have become acceptable to society. But we don't need women to be men and get accepted in the society. We need women that can change the society. Here is a request to all women. Stop exploiting at least your own kind. Stop ridiculing and demeaning those who are housewives. For a job is a job. Work is work. Being a housewife is work. A lot of work. When you do so, you reduce the value of those who are managing their homes and family. It's commendable that you got the job that you like. But it's not empowering women if you demean other women's work. It's not okay when men do it, and it is also not okay when women do it. Dear women, stop devaluing your own kind. When I sit and wonder about the curse words we use and abuse others, I realize that almost all of the curse words are directed towards women relationships, be it your mother or sister. These words directly shows the dominance of a man over women. These were invented with a state of mind that women are below men. What I don't understand is the usage of these words by both men and women. Of course they were invented by men, but again, in order to be accepted in the social groups of men, in order to be cool, women also started using them. But they forgot that they are carrying that state of mind forward. It is one's choice to abuse or say the words they want, but one should be aware of the idea behind those words. Women unknowingly are promoting men's ego by saying these words. There is a need of conscious decision by women. Don't be uncool by trying to be cool. Women are screwing women. They are killing their girl child because it's a girl. I don't understand this, but I guess women have been oppressed for so long that some of them started believing their inferiority to men as the truth. But dear women, as a man and as a human being, I myself am constantly working to create my mind in a way so as to delete all the inconsistencies in the thoughts that were imbibed in my psyche by history. I admit that there were times when I too didn't use my mind and subconsciously carried some of the wrong thoughts. But now I don't. I reason everything and very carefully conduct my mind because it was not okay and it is not okay. I request you all to not fall in this trap of acceptance. There is this life, there is this universe, and there is our planet Earth. We all are humans and all different. Let us all just evolve naturally, or at least try to. Thank you.